All right, got some flooring installed. Shout out to that flooring guy. Got this stuff down in one day, about 1,000 square feet. So now it's time to protect it. I like to use this house wrap, nice and wide, very durable. Tried to use this packaging tape dispensing gun. Didn't really care for that. I'm going right back to the old method, just doing it by hand. It's important to leave this 2 inches away from the wall to allow space for the trim work to be installed. You run this all the way up to the drywall, you're going to be crying, or the trim installer is going to be crying when he's got to pull it all back in order to install his baseboards, casing, and doors. Normally I like to have the trim delivered after the flooring is covered so I don't have to move these boards around, but this delivery showed up early, so you get what you get and you don't throw a fit. I just use my razor knife to cut this stuff, but I think like a liner opener type style knife might be better for some newbies who might damage the floor while they're installing it. Check out my rolling knee pads here. Throw this guy together real quick with just a moving dolly and cushion. Saves the knees, saves the back a little bit. So in the field here, you can see I'm just using some random house wrap tape. I really don't care how sticky it is because I'm not going to have to remove it from the flooring. And then around the edges, I use the blue painter's tape because that's supposed to come off a little bit better. I put a piece of tape in the center here and roll out the house wrap. If you tape off that whole edge and your house wrap is crooked just a little bit, if you roll it across the whole room, it could be many inches off by the time you get to the other end. So it's nice. You put one piece of tape there, then you could adjust it nice and straight and square with the room, and then go ahead and tape it all down. So there is other options besides house wrap. They sell some builder board and different things. They're usually sold in like 3-foot wide rolls, and I don't care for it because it doesn't cover a large area and requires more tape. Also too, if you do have a smaller area, you can buy a smaller roll or just buy a large roll and cut that roll down to 3 feet or 4 feet or whatever you need to fit your space. And here's a blooper. Finally got one. This was not staged, even though it looks fake. I actually did fall off the dolly there, and basically these dollies, they are great for smooth surfaces, but you can't roll over a penny with that thing because the wheels are being so small. In the high traffic areas, like at the bottom of the stairs here, I do like to put down some cardboard for some extra protection. The house wrap is great, but it will get tore up from all the different trades going in and out of here. We got some doors and casing installed. We got nice space up against the wall here for the baseboards to be ran, and these floors will be nice and protected until the end of this project. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers here so I can retire someday.